Good afternoon. We are from Pava Engineering College. In our team, we are two members, myself, Sibiraj, and Surender V. And we have proposed a system here named Intelligent Sericulture Management System. The system mainly focus on increasing profits and reducing the silkworm deaths and in sericulture farms. Here and here we need to upload an image of an silkworm. When we upload an image of an silkworm, it just detect whether it is diseased or undeceased. So if it is diseased, as you can see there, that in the display with the help of Arduino, it shows the result as infected. Once when we upload an image of an normal or undeceased silkworm, as you can see here, it is uninfected, and in the display you can see that it is normal. Here we have trained an model with the help of with the 10,000 images, each for infected and uninfected, so that accuracy of the system will be above 96%. So that here we did not it uses machine learning, but there is no use of any AI tools, so there is no hallucination of AI results. So without any fears, sericulture farmers can use our tool. In that software, that it can be so it can see in that PC there is no camera, so we can't go with this live stream. So it is not necessary to always upload an image. It can directly take the input from through drone or the camera that we would fix in the farm directly. And as a hardware, we have used humidity sensor, so that in some times when the humidity reaches some above some threshold or some range, that the it helps to produce the resulting fungus, so it can affect. It is the major problem in sericulture worms. So that, as we have discussed about software side, now we go with hardware. See here, you can see that humidity sensor. We use humidity sensor to detect the humidity level of that farm, because sometimes the increase in humidity will result in silkworm disease, such like fungus. So when the humidity is increased, it detects and it will notify the farmers to reduce the humidity. Then we have used a smoke sensor. This smoke sensor is to calculate the particles and smoke that are present in the farms, which can affect the growth and the yield of the silkworms, which eventually result in losses. So this sensor used to detect and display the result in result with the help of IoT module. Then we have used a thermostat. This thermostat is used to calculate the temperature in that farm. So even the temperature, which in summer times the temperature rises, in some places it even exceeds the average, which will eventually result in death, sometimes death or complete eradicate of that generation. So this we have particularly chosen this thermostat for its accuracy. It has higher accuracy than other sensors. And then we have used an IoT module. This IoT module will display the outputs of those smoke sensor and humidity sensor and thermostat to a mobile, to a connected device. As you can see in this video, it displays the output. Even it will also detect whether it will also detect when the image is detected as diseased, it will show So in that with the help of the IoT module, we can see in the connected device. This IoT module is mainly used to connect devices, as every time we are not going to be there in the farms, so it will help us to monitor the farm in anywhere in the world. Here the main mastermind is Arduino. It will process all the inputs which it gets, and it will finally show the data to it. And as we have completed our both software and hardware side, now we have some future scopes to implement in this product in upcoming days. Like we have a plan to train a model that can accurately identify what disease it is. As now we have only trained the model to detect whether it is diseased or undeceased. In upcoming days, within some weeks, we will train this model so that it can detect the disease like fungal infection, viral infection, and bacterial infection accurately. And it helps to separate that, and will eventually increase the yield in that generation of silkworms. And also we will going to implement some of prevention techniques, and what medicines they can give, and what foods they can supply to the silks, so that it can increase and grow and produce a good quality silkworms. Thank you.